Have you ever stopped to think about energy? I mean, really, think about it. You've never seen it, not with your own eyes. You can't hold it in your hand, you can't weigh it on a scale. And yet, it moves everything. It's the silent force that animates our entire universe. From the gentle flutter of a butterfly's wings to the cataclysmic explosion of a supernova, it's all powered by this invisible, intangible thing we call energy. It's the face of the invisible, the engine of existence. In our science classes, we learn a very neat and tidy definition. Energy is the ability to do work or the ability to cause change. It's a fundamental property of the universe. We categorize it, we measure it, we build complex equations to describe its behavior. We talk about kinetic energy, the energy of motion. We discuss potential energy, the stored energy ready to be unleashed. We study thermal energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy. We've built our entire modern civilization on our ability to harness and transform it. Our lights, our cars, our computers, everything is a testament to our understanding of this force. But is that all it is? Is energy just a number in an equation, a resource to be exploited? Or is there a deeper, more profound truth hiding in plain sight? Let's step outside the laboratory for a moment and look at this through a different lens. In the Quran, there is a concept that resonates deeply with this idea of an unseen, all-pervasive power. It's the concept of Amma, which is often translated as the divine command or the affair of God. The Quran describes Amma as the creative impulse of God, the very mechanism by which the universe operates. It's the driving force behind all creation and all events. When we look at the world, we see the effects, but the cause, the Amma, remains unseen. It's the command that brings things into being and sustains them. Think about one of the most powerful phrases in Islamic tradition. Kun Fayakun. It means be, and it is. This isn't just a statement about the initial creation of the universe. It's a continuous, ongoing reality. At every single moment, the universe is being sustained by this divine command. Every atom that vibrates, every planet that orbits its star, every thought that flashes through your mind is a manifestation of this continuous act of be. The universe isn't a clock that was wound up once and left to run down. It's a symphony that is being actively conducted at every instant. Now, let's bring these two ideas together. The scientific concept of energy and the spiritual concept of Amma. Could they be two different ways of describing the same fundamental reality? When a physicist talks about the conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy as a ball rolls down a hill, could this also be seen as a manifestation of Amma? The ability to cause change that science speaks of. What if that is the echo of Kun? Every form of energy we observe, the light from the sun that gives us life, the heat from a fire that keeps us warm, the gravitational pull that holds our world together, the electrical signals firing in our own brains, every single one of these can be seen as a direct expression of this divine command. They are the tangible effects of an intangible, unseen power. The laws of physics, which we so brilliantly uncover and articulate, aren't just arbitrary rules, they are the very patterns of this divine command in action. They describe the how, the consistent and predictable way in which God's Amma manifests in the physical realm. So, when a seed pushes its way through the soil, defying gravity to reach for the sun, that's not just biology and chemical energy. That is the Amma, the command to grow, being made visible. When you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, you're not just experiencing electromagnetic radiation, you are feeling the effect of a divine decree for light and warmth to exist and to travel across 93 million miles of empty space to sustain you. The entire cosmos, in all its intricate dance of matter and energy, is a grand display of this principle. This brings us to a crucial point, a core message that I want to share with you. Energy is not God. Let's be very clear about that. The creation is not the creator. The artwork is not the artist. Instead, energy is the evidence of God. It is His signature, written across every particle of the cosmos. It's the brushstroke of the divine artist. When we study energy, we are not just studying a physical phenomenon. We are, in a sense, studying the methodology of the Creator. We are deciphering the language in which He has written the story of the universe. The awe and wonder that a scientist feels when they discover a new principle or witness a powerful cosmic event is not misplaced. It's a natural human response to glimpsing the majesty of the divine order. That feeling of being small in the face of a vast, powerful universe is a form of reverence. It's an acknowledgement of a power far greater than ourselves. The invisible force that moves the galaxies is the same force that beats our hearts. We are swimming in an ocean of divine command, and we call the currents energy. So, what does this mean for us in our daily lives? It means we can look at the world with new eyes. It adds a layer of meaning and purpose to everything we see and experience. The next time you switch on a light, you can remember that the flow of electrons is a response to a divine law. The next time you eat a meal, you can recognize that the chemical energy stored in your food is a provision, a manifestation of the sustainer''s command. The very act of thinking, of loving, of moving, it's all powered by this divine gift. This perspective doesn't contradict science, it completes it. It takes the what and the how of physics and adds the why. It transforms our understanding from a purely mechanical one to a deeply spiritual one. What you call physics is simply obedience in motion. The universe is not a collection of inanimate objects blindly following mathematical rules. It is a community of existence, and every part of it, from the quark to the quasar, is in a state of constant, willing submission to the command of its creator. Its very existence is its obedience. In the end, the study of energy becomes a path to knowing God. It's a journey from the seen to the unseen, from the effect to the cause. The more we understand the intricate and powerful nature of energy, the more we should be in awe of the one who commanded it all into being with a single word. The invisible force that moves everything is a constant reminder that we are part of a universe that is alive, purposeful, and sustained by an infinite and merciful power. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of thought. If this perspective resonated with you, I'd be so grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content that connects the dots between science, spirituality, and our daily lives. I'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care.